It's a glorious Sunday afternoon in Delhi. Saif and Karina, you're here to enjoy a very nice polo match. But this one's special because this is the Bhopal put up that we're talking about. About that.
Well, I mean, I guess it kind of always reminds me of my father, and it's in many ways a family cup. My grandfather, my father's father, as well as my father's grandfather were very serious and good polo players. My great-grandfather from Bhopal had a handicap of 9. I'm not sure what my grandfather's handicap was, but I know he died playing polo. Okay. So he was something he's very passionate about.
And Karina, you did your bit throwing the ball there for the exhibition match. So how was the whole experience there?
Obviously, I didn't know exactly how to, but
you
yeah, it was fun.
Yeah.
Did you give us some tips on how to throw the ball?
Yeah, I just throw it hard. You're supposed to throw it hard.
Did you throw it hard enough? No, Phil?
I think she did very well, yeah.
How was the experience for you, Karina?
Well, I mean, I hope I just did it right. Well, and I think they've scored 3 goals, so I'm sure I've pretty much done it right. I'm taking the credit for it.
Take the ball as well when we're done.
You are actually getting a hang of your polo GK from Saif Ali Khan, right?
Well, yeah, I mean, how's your polo GK, Saif? I don't know. I mean,
Yeah, it really isn't. Like, I think after my grandpa died playing polo, we weren't really encouraged to play.
Not at all. You've never tried a hand at polo.
No, a little bit, but no, not really. We even used to play cycle polo in Bhopal, you know.
yeah, that's
I've seen elephant polo being played in Jaipur. There's chakka.
What's a chakra?
I want to say there's the polo lounge in Jaipur. Polo and beautiful ladies go hand in hand. So let apply her end of the bargain and let these boys tell you about polo.
yeah.
What do you think?
I'm adding to the glamour of the event.
Of course, you are the best dressed as you already tipped it off. You have to be
We decided on that.
फेम, लड़कियां, पैसा, सब कुछ तो है मेरे पास. तो अब जबरदस्ती काम करने की क्या जरूरत है?
Let's also talk a bit about your film, Saif. Happy Ending coming this November.
Yeah.
And Karina, you're doing a cameo in that particular film. So
Well, it's actually really sporting what she's done.
Just done like,
Sorry.
I've just done like
It's just very small. It's a one scene, but Raj and DK have cast her as a particular kind of person and cast us in a particular kind of relationship that I think is really funny. It's because it's us that it's funny. So you'll have to see that. But I think it's very sporting of her to have done it because it's kind of making fun of us. So that's nice. And they've made a funny film and they're clever guys. And I'm really excited actually. I think Illuminati's made a nice movie and there's lots of positives about it. The music's great. Govinda is amazing in it.
what do you have to say about Saif's double role in the film?
I've seen the promo. I haven't seen the film. I'm dying to watch the film just like everybody else. But I think that this genre that people are appreciating of Saif, I think he's the best in it. I don't think there's anyone to touch him. When it comes to the romantic comedy space, not yet, because I think he rules that space.
Hey, arch your back, stomach in, chest out, chest out.
It is out, Yuri.
Okay, it's not working. पूरा ऊपर का उतार दो.
Whose idea was the whole, hairy Saif Ali Khan, little overweight?
It's the director's. Everything's the director. We weren't even sure if it should be an alter ego or whether it should be a real character. So you have to see the film to find out. But it was all to the script.
Since you're in Delhi, we have to talk about the wedding anniversary at the Padodi Palace. Kind of a rough weather it actually got into with the EC sending the notice and all that. About that, what do you have to say?
Well, I mean, I guess these things happen. But I'd like to say a couple of things about that. First of all is that we never play loud music. I mean, we had a wedding anniversary, so we played a little bit of soft music. So people, I think, around the village were playing very loud music, like they do. But it wasn't us, so we weren't playing the music. I don't know, it's a false complaint. I would hate to bother the villagers of Patodi, I would hate for them to feel inconvenienced in any way. I really have a special place for them in my heart. So I would go out of my way not to trouble them.
How do you see actors and their intelligibles questioned these days with a big controversy being blurted out of proportion as far as your comments on the Mangalyaan is concerned and,
For him, that was the only thing and that was blown out of proportion.
हमारा जो यान है वो मंगल ग्रह पर भेजा है.
What? Say again, I didn't understand. I'll need a translator now. Say in English.
English.
Bloopers being made at you or at
Sporting enough.
We have sent Mars. What do you call? It's an orbiter. We have sent to Mars. So what's your take on that?
And you met up with the Prime Minister yesterday in Bombay, so how was the whole experience?
It was absolutely incredible. My politics are still forming in my head. I'm not sure if I would vote for the party without him, but with him, 100%. And I think he was incredibly kind and patient. He spoke really interestingly and really well. He was the best speaker of the night, and there were a lot of actors in the room who have heard Hindi and English spoken well before, but this was something else. And he also took time to shake everyone's hand, and he made an extra effort to. So I remember him shaking my hands very warmly and saying something very kind to me. So that I'll always remember, and he's won me over. I said to him, if there's any initiative with which we can help, we'd be happy to. We are also in touch with our MLA in Bandra, and we will. We want to be involved in this whole new movement. I mean, without being cynical, you wonder, you hope that we do manage to pull off something lasting and special. I mean, he's got so much to do, and we should all do our bit, is what I think.
Your experience of the night yesterday, meeting with the Prime Minister, how was it?
I think it was absolutely amazing, and I'm just really happy that I got my selfie picture with the Prime Minister of my country.
Your fan moment with Narendra Modi.
And it's so kind that actually, I mean, he was giving all of us at one point, I think all of us actors, whether it was Arjun, Varun, Karan, Seth, we mobbed him.
Complaints here in the VIP stands. There are
I
no
think it was
balloons for
so
cheering
wonderful.
He
here.
was very sporting and lovely.